You need to hear this if you're a stargazer. Let's discover how a little star made a big difference. Far, far away in the night sky, there was a little star named Twinkle. Twinkle wasn't as big or bright as the other stars, and sometimes she felt a bit sad because of it. One night, Twinkle noticed a little boy sitting by his window, looking up at the sky. He seemed lonely and sad, just like Twinkle. She wanted to make him feel better, but didn't know how. Twinkle decided to try her best. She focused all her energy and began to twinkle as brightly as she could. Her light shimmered and danced in the night sky, and the little boy noticed. He smiled and waved at Twinkle. Seeing the boy smile made Twinkle feel warm inside. She realized that even though she wasn't the biggest or brightest star, she could still make a difference. From that night on, Twinkle would shine her light for the little boy every night, and he would always look up to see her twinkling just for him. Twinkle had found her purpose. She may have been a little star, but to the boy, she was the most special star in the whole sky.